Hi, and welcome back to the FoodForce tutorial series. In this video, we will order a Shiver at TCBY. Then we will track the progress of our order. Here we will create our own Shiver. First, we will choose the size of the Shiver. It's important to know that the size of the Shiver directly influences the amount of toppings included, which is 3 for the small size, 4 for the regular size, and 5 for the large size. Then we will choose the flavor of the yogurt. Several options are available. Now it's time to choose the famous included toppings. The most popular ones are at the top, but don't hesitate to scroll down. There are many choices. Finally, we can add additional toppings if desired. At the last step, we can make special requests. The restaurant will communicate directly with the customer if necessary. Once everything is done, we can add to the order. We can now place the order and pay. After placing an order, a window opens with the tracking details. As soon as the order is received and accepted by the restaurant, the preparing icon is displayed in blue. Just below, we can see the estimated remaining time for preparation. When the order is ready, the order number is displayed in the big blue box with the message "Order Ready." To retrieve our order, we simply need to show this number to the restaurant once we arrive there. Voila! All we have to do now is enjoy our meal.